angle.
Story Collection YouTube channel presents Morning News. Good morning. Lives disturbed on day one of the 3-day UNC-sponsored shutdown intense tens of ensures at T. Kolen village. Protesters blocked CM's route clash with the security force chopper ride taken to open Wangzing Tenta PD block. Protest rally continues unabated. Kokomi Women Wing bans CM BJP MLAs from Komjongde, fingers pointed at Delhi. Stop LA's State Terrorism, Pambei led UNLF. And now the news in details. Even as a 3-day shutdown called by United Naga Council UNC brought normal life to a standstill across several districts, clashes erupted between Kuki and Naga people at T. Kolen in Kangpokpi district today. According to the initial report, confrontations broke out between Sabongbong Kuki villagers and residents of T. Kolen over the enforcement of the shutdown in Naga inhabited areas when a police team attempted to clear a roadblock set up by Naga volunteers enforcing the shutdown. With large groups of protesters blocking his way at different points in Thoubal district, Chief Minister Khemsan flew a helicopter from an Assam rifle post located Khongzom Pungdre to Wangzing, Teksem Lakai to inaugurate a block development office of Wangzing Tenta CD block today. On the other hand, as security force struggled to disperse the protesters and open the Chief Minister's way, a protester suffered a bullet injury. Notably, Mairapaibi organization of Thoubal district made an announcement earlier prohibiting the Chief Ministers from visiting Wangzing. Sanjoy Sorokhaibam, the president of the All Manipur United Club organization AMUKO, has accused the government of India of continuing the colonial policies devised by the British to create division among the people and keep Manipur in a constant state of turmoil. Speaking at a discussion program held on the theme Thonglaubi Massacre and the People's Movement held at the Bamon Kampu today, Sanjoy stated that peoples of Manipur have been enduring hardship since the state merger with India. A 5.2 magnitude earthquake struck Kamjong district in Manipur on Tuesday morning, standing strong tremors across the region according to official data. The quake occurred at 5:59 a.m. as confirmed by the National Center for Seismology. Tremors were felt in and around Kamjong area, prompting brief panic among residents. And now we end the bulletins, the headlines once again. Life disturbed on day one of the 3-day UNC-sponsored shutdown intense tense of ensuring T. Kolen village. Protesters blocked CM's route clash with the security force copters ride taken to open Wangzing Tenta BD block. Kokomi Women Wings banned CM's BJP's MLAs from Komjongde, fingers pointed at Delhi. And with that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.